Between all this land right here, it's about 60, 50 feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I was figuring that based on the docks, they dropped the water about like 12 feet.
Nope. Got one. It's been a while. I'm alive. Last video I posted was about 3 months ago. Never posted anything new. I planned on, I planned on posting some late winter fishing and whatnot, but I had a kid. You know, newborns require a lot of assistance and attention and care. I'm here at Lake Tapps again. There's two reasons why I'm doing a video at Lake Tapps again. One, I didn't want to take my boat. I was too lazy. I haven't checked the gas. I haven't checked my battery. And two, it'd be really interesting to see the lake in 2 different seasons, right? I did my last video in November, so that's fall. And today is March 31st, last day of my fishing license. But it's technically early spring. And the lake, look at that. I mean, the lake is extremely low right now, so this is gonna kind of worry me. I'm definitely still gonna fish because I haven't fished in forever, but this will be interesting. We'll see if we can actually catch a fish. All right, so I'm gonna start on this side of the lake. It's the deepest part that you can find at this lake on the shore. Even though the water levels are extremely low, it's crazy. I thought it'd be higher than this. Yeah, we're gonna hop on and catch some bass. I'm throwing the trusty Megabass Vision 110. All right, first cast of a 2018. Let's see if it gets me a freaking bass. Even though man, look at, okay, so last time the water was like way up here. Now it's super low. What's up, guys? I just got here. Like literally, this is my second cast. Son of a bitch, dude. Fuck. That sucks. What are you guys going for?
I don't know, anything that bites.
Yeah.
Hopefully a bass.
That's what I'm going for, man. If I lose this lure, I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, I got it. Between all this land right here, it's about 60, 50 feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I was figuring that based on the docks, they dropped the water about like 12 feet.
Nope. Got one.
Oh wow.
Nice. So they're out here. They're getting ready to eat. They got to get ready to spawn, so they're starting to feed. This guy's like a 2-pounder. First fish of 2018. Let's go. It's like a 2.5 pounder. I don't know, but check him out. Sick. All right, let's get a release on this guy. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, around this time, the bait fish are like slowly dying. So that's why jerkbait's good, because it stays like in the mid column, but it resembles a dying fish. So the bass are lazy fish. They're lazy, dude. They'll go for the biggest, easiest meal they can go for. Yeah. It's a little bit smaller. Fish number 2. This one's a little bit smaller. This one's a lot smaller actually. But they're eating. Okay. Bye. Well, there goes a $25 lure. Cool. Okay, well, that was a pretty successful trip. I've only been out here for about an hour and a half. Caught 2 fish. This video is probably going to be short. There's 3 guys next to me. We just talked the whole entire time. So, and this is my first fishing trip of 2018, and I was actually able to pull out 2. The second fish, I'm kind of worried. I don't know if my GoPro was recording or not, but I did catch footage on this camera here. Also, I really want to thank everybody for subscribing, watching my videos. Man, I've had some good feedback on my channel so far, so I am going to continue bringing content to the channel.